Hi friends, and welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today I'm sharing a cordless little garden helper that's honestly perfect for raised beds and tight spaces. The Mui Lux 20-volt cordless tiller cultivator. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and it's made to loosen up soil fast without dragging a cord around your yard like you're walking a dog that doesn't love you back. Here we're harvesting our shallots, and we're going to come in right here now with the tiller, and it's just makes life a lot easier, honestly. So here's what it does. It has steel tines that spin up to 240 RPMs, and it can dig about 4 inches deep, which is great for breaking up compacted soil. Refreshing old garden beds is awesome, and even pulling up weeds with their roots. And you know, one of my favorite parts, it comes with two 20-volt batteries, so you can swap batteries and keep working without stopping mid-bed. That's a small detail that makes a big difference when you're in a groove. A couple quick tips from me. Tip 1, water your bed slightly the day before you till and you're going to pull up and harvest. Slightly damp soil breaks up easier and creates a nicer, fluffier texture without turning into dust. Tip 2, work in short passes and let the tool do the work. Don't force it. If you hit roots or debris, those detachable tines make it easier to clear out and keep it going. And when you're done, it's compact enough to store in a closet or in a shelf or on a shelf, or a storage compartment in your garage without taking over your whole space. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.